When Yug was a teenager, it was really difficult to feed him vegetables, and so I came up with a recipe of Methi Malai Keema. Let's see how to make this delicious recipe. Let's heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to add a few whole spices, an inch of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns. I'm going to add 3 medium-sized onions that I have pureed. I've basically just ground them to a fine paste. Fry this till the color changes to a beautiful brown. The onion paste has browned well. Let's add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of green chilli paste. Just let's saute this for a minute. And now it's time to add the methi. Here I have a medium-sized bowl of methi leaves, which we'll add to this paste. Let's saute this for a minute or two. Now let's add quarter cup of cashew nut paste. Let's saute this mixture for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add the mutton keema, half a kg of mutton keema, and then sear it on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see after 3 to 4 minutes, the color of the keema has changed. Now we're going to add a cup of yogurt to this. Now after adding the yogurt, I'm going to saute this for another 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to low flame. Let's add 2 finely chopped tomatoes, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder. You can add chilli powder according to your liking. And now let's just mix this well and cook till the tomatoes are mushy. Let's add some salt to this so that the tomatoes cook faster. Let's add a cup of water to this, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, give it a good stir, and now let's cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame for 15 minutes till the keema is done. Now after 15 minutes, I'm sure the keema is done because I can see a little oil that's floating on the top. So I'm going to add quarter cup of cream to this now. And our Methi Malai Keema is ready to be served. The Methi Malai Keema is ready to be served. I'm serving this with parathas. You can serve it with bread of your choice or with rice. This is a good recipe to make children eat vegetables. Do try this recipe, it's very easy. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.